Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Dr. Zaitun Harun from School of Civil Engineering UTM. Our invention is SOUND-OPSCrete for noise control materials.
SOUND-OPSCrete has novelties such as very good sound absorption, very good rating of soundproof, lightweight materials, sustainable and durable materials, and structural load bearing. It has double layer material and both made from oil palm shell with special characteristic. SOUND-OPSCrete can be used to reduce noise pollution. It can be used as alternative noise barrier material to replace reflective barrier. Traditional barriers such as block, brick, standard concrete reflect sound and project it back to the source, sometimes amplifying the noise and project it to the surrounding area, created reverberant environment or canyon effect. SOUND-OPSCrete materials absorb unwanted sound by diffusing sound wave. Malaysia is second largest producer of palm oil after Indonesia. Therefore, for the technology application, it is relevant to Malaysia concrete industries as well as industries in Indonesia, Thailand, etc. In Malaysia, there are 6 trillion of OPS produced in 2018. With this technology, SOUND-OPSCrete help the abundant waste to wealth, thus will support the world oil palm industry. For the commercial potential, SOUND-OPSCrete can be used in highway, school, industrial plant, electrical utilities, and general applications such as airport maintenance. The potential competitor for SOUND-OPSCrete is available product at market now are ordinary porous concrete, which is heavier, concrete masonry unit, but it is infilled with synthetic fiber, and metal infill with synthetic fiber rock wool, but it is very expensive. We have 2 industrial partners, Sanjung Sempurna Sendirian Berhad, a consultant and developer for construction project, Vibrant Echo, an acoustic consultant for acoustic treatment, internal and external noise problem. For commercial strategy, we have 3 strategies. The first is it must comply the industry's both acoustic and structural performance. Second is the attractiveness, efficient and economical means for acoustic correction and noise control. The third is the awareness from developer, consultant, authorities and society to the importance of selection of material type environmentally friendly like SOUND-OPSCrete. Specimens were tested the sound absorption coefficient and transmission loss using impedance tube. In impedance tube, random signal noise is used to imitate sound and noise from source and calculation of sound absorption coefficient and produced in each frequency using transfer function. Results showed that SOUND-OPSCrete is better than ordinary concrete. Testings were carried out using popular Asian creeping fig plant, Ficus pumila variegata. SOUND-OPSCrete with creeping fig plant produced even higher sound absorption coefficient, therefore suitable for green facade construction. In conclusion, SOUND-OPSCrete is best option for acoustic treatment for external noise in reducing the canyon effect from traffic noise.